guys, it's Josh and Jim Brown here. We are going to do a burping contest tonight. Apparently that is one of our more popular videos, so we thought we would do that again tonight. The first time that we did it with warmer beers, so tonight we're trying it with cold beers. So maybe that'll give it some little oomph.
I think it'll make it fizzier. I also think the first time we might have done Yinglings on.
Yes, we did. We did.
So today, as we had on the past few, we've got
our PBRs.
PBRs.
And the reason we're drinking, we like the PBRs. Of course, we prefer Yinglings. Sorry PBR, but you all are more affordable, so that's why we have the PBRs right now. I mean, you got to do what you got to do. So
our local grocery store's been running a sale.
Yeah, these are $3 cheaper, so that's quite a difference.
But anyway. So you doing this?
We're doing this. We're not going to time it, although that has been like our thing, because we are competitive. So we're just going to chug these as quickly as we can, which I'll probably be able to do better than him because they are cold. And we're going to give our burpiest best. We're pouring our beers right now. That's what we're doing.
We have made steady improvements on our chug times, though, so
Josh
we
has
may
made steady
have to.
He got one under 8 seconds for a 12-ounce beer, so that's pretty awesome.
For me,
I need to work on that.
Not necessarily up there with some of the best. Or we're going dark because our cat is putting her face in our light.
Yeah. We're on our porch. It's a beautiful night out here in Tennessee, and we are, so we needed the extra lighting, but you can see our nice little lights we have going on back here. Love, 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 love our lights.
So, we ready to do this?
We're ready to do this.
I guess
we're doing it at the same time, or?
We could, as long as I guess we can manage our
one of us hold one in?
Because we don't have to time it.
Right. Okay. So, cheers. Ooh, it's cold. Your eyes are water. I'm almost done.
I couldn't chug this anyway. I've only got this down to here.
It has to take a moment to kind of fester. Oh my God, that was good.
That was good. So, you can set the bar high. Going in. Oh. That was
I'm laughing so hard, so my eyes water.
Volume-wise, I would, give that maybe a 7. But as far as...
I was going for length.
Well, yeah, and as far as length and character of the burp, I would give those both 10s.
When we watch this before we post it, I'm going to have to see the look on your face. I don't always catch his facial expressions when we're doing the chugging or the burps or whatever. But you're still building up?
Yeah. I may have to go ahead and open
the second one? While we're pouring these.
Maybe because we didn't slam them like we normally do.
Maybe.
Took me 3 drinks. So.
Maybe so. While we're pouring, Josh has made some. Weak! Weak! Totally kicked your ass on that one.
You did. It felt like there was more, but then it just kind of kind of like seeped out like a leaky tire or something.
Josh has made some new videos. He's in the process of posting them. One is up already on how to fake country guitar.
How to fake country guitar, yeah.
So he's given you some lessons on how to fake it.
If you're like me, back when I started gigging around Knoxville.
And while he's talking, I'm going to drink.
Around here, it's a whole lot easier to get gigs playing country music than it is playing
and most of it's
else.
Country.
Yeah. But that, when I played newer country, I could just play like rock licks and stuff. But when I started playing, you know, more classic country, honky-tonk stuff, I had to learn how to do some new things and make, you know, new sounds. So,
This will be good.
but I never full-on learned all the country techniques. I just learned a handful of things to fake it. And excellent. Wow. I am really gonna have to
step it up.
May have a little one here.
That was better than your first one. That one sounded demonic. You always say I do.
Yeah, but the reason yours are demonic is because you have this. It's like two tones. It's this low tone and then this high tone.
It's both my personalities coming out.
It's like a different pitch. So it's not just that it's deep or anything like that that makes it demonic. It's somehow you get this two-tone thing going on.
It's a skill. Oh, finish what you were saying before I burped.
Oh. I think that was pretty much it.
Okay.
So if you were like me and you grew up or you learned how to play guitar playing rock and roll, and you decide you want to go gigging and you find out that everybody out there looking for guitarists is in a country band, there's a few hints on, you know, possibly how to get by and be able to sit in with a country band and sound, you know, halfway reasonable.
Bottoms up. Looks like I am pretty sure and I'm pretty confident that I won tonight. So chalk one up. Well, actually chalk two up for the women.
So cold.
You can't burp yet. You gotta let it.
Sometimes it's not an option. I've got something sitting right here, and that's...
Well, I don't want you vomiting.
I don't know what to do. It's a conundrum. What I feel like is happening right now is like my quality burp, instead of sitting down here and waiting, my burp baby, is like bubbling up and just like leaking out into it. It's so cold.
It is cold. We also need to try this with the warm PBRs since we did do yingling before and vice versa. So we need to do cold yingling, warm PBR.
I'll be the first to admit, I mean, I could have very well been wrong about colder beers, maybe. I mean, I thought, you know how...
It worked for me.
Well, yeah. But you know how they get warm and sort of get a little flatter, which makes them easier to chug.
Mm-hmm.
But maybe when they get, if you can chug them...
That's good, but I still think I beat you.
The quality of yours was better. Mine got gurgly and...
It did, but that's what makes it sound all creepy and cool.
Yours was like, it was very consistent. It had a very nice tone. And it maintained it throughout the length of it. So
It's a skill.
really, it was a
I pride myself on my burps.
I really do think if you had been in the first Revenge of the Nerds movie, you would have beaten Booger. So that's a pretty big compliment, I think. So anyway, I think that's all I got.
Yep. So we've finished our burping contest. If you guys want to join in, and clearly I won. Go, ladies. I think that's two. Did I win the first one? I think I did.
No, the first burping contest,
No, you did annihilate me. You did.
Yeah.
You did. I forgot.
It was like you didn't even show up.
But I brought my A game today.
But no, you got your revenge. So you chopped it.
Twice.
You chopped it back. Brought it back around.
I did.
So.
Go me.
But anyway, also, if you're watching this, if you would be so kind, give us a
thumbs up.
Give us a thumbs up. Also, give us a subscribe, and in the comments, I say put a number 1 to 10. A Jen 1 to 10 and a Josh 1 to 10. I know you won this one, but I want to hear what they.
You want me to hurt people, don't you?
Why, you think they're going to give you a 9 and make you mad? I say, if they give if you give Jen less than a 10, then we need a link to a YouTube video or something. If you think that one was less than a 10, then I want to know what a 10 is.
This is why I love this man. Like, he's got my back all the time. And vice versa. Tomorrow, I want to say real quick. So, well, as he already said, subscribe to our channel. But tomorrow we've got some more things that we're going to do. We are very excited. We are possibly going to have our very first clip of, we're going to go on a ghost hunt at a local cemetery.
We're taking the IR camera.
Yeah, we're taking our IR camera that we got from Cleveland Paranormal. And we didn't get it because it says Cleveland Paranormal on it. But it just seemed like with the reviews and everything from Amazon that it was the best one to get. And
it was a good deal. For
great
an IR
deal.
camera, it was a good price.
Great customer service, great place. Check them out. They don't deal in a whole lot of products. That's why they are good at what they do, because they only focus on a few. So check them out. But going to go do that. So we'll have something different. Josh is doing his guitar videos, teaching you guys on ways to fake the guitar, the country scene at the moment, which Josh is a very skilled, in my opinion, a very skilled guitarist, and he does not give himself enough credit, because I have heard him play some just killer stuff. So country music really, to me, is not his genre to be playing. I've heard him play Metallica stuff. I've heard him play all kinds of things. So keep an eye out for those. They are very entertaining, and he again doesn't give himself enough credit on that stuff.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
So also, yes, so more different stuff coming, but give us a rating,
Share, subscribe, follow on us on all our stuff. So here's a task for you. Check out all our stuff, and I've given it on other videos. So.
And thank you.
Yes, thank you. Challenge us. Give us some feedback. Subscribe. Let us know.